going to show you how to seal large gaps in your ductwork, primarily around the area of your bonnet and air conditioning coil. The first thing we're going to use is duct seal. This is widely available at your home center. The other thing we're going to use is Themrhelperguy. A little more expensive, but you get more in it when you buy it from a wholesaler. This is available at your local home center, and it's available in a small quantity. So, let's go ahead and seal some ductwork. Okay, roll it in your hands and make like a rope out of it. This will warm it up and make it easier to use. So, there you go. Next, we'll take our rope and we'll just wrap it around our hole we want to seal. This is really good for around air conditioning lines. Well, this is a pre-made box for a coil. There's not a lot of leak in here, but you can really see how we get that sealed up. Okay, same thing. We roll that into a rope, and then we'll put it around our air conditioning pipe. Both products work pretty good. Although the duct seal is a lot more, it's more available to the do-it-yourselfer. Okay, there you go. So, it's pretty easy to seal your holes in your bonnets, especially where your drains come on and your lines go in.